How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a shout out, a mail call, and we have Terry Thacker, which everybody knows what's going on, and we'll deal with that here in just a minute, and I'll tell y'all what's up with that. But excuse me, I've not been on here for a while. I've been sick, and haven't been making any videos. I have got my small scale group builds done, and I will try to get a video out. Of course, I'll have to, because it's fixing to end. The month's fixing to end. So excuse my voice and everything, because, like I said, I've been sick. But I want to thank my subscribers. Thank you. If it wasn't for you, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, or whatever makes your world go around, guys. Thank you very much. I won't ask you for anything, guys. This ain't that kind of channel. Just support anybody that I mention in this video. All right, well, let's get this started. All right, we're going to do this with the shout out shop card. Phil from Horton's Hot Rod Shop. Phil sent me one of his special made shop cards, and the thing is awesome, brother. I love how you put the little Johan model box right there. Dude, that thing's awesome. Look at that, MPC, AMT. Man, that's absolutely awesome. Johan, love it, brother. Thank you for the kind words. Love you too, man. Love your channel. Me and you are just alike, man. Love them vintage models, show rods, man. Thank you. Hey, I haven't got your shop card out for you yet. I'm sorry, but like I said, I've been sick, but I will get it out to you, brother. I do appreciate it. All right, and two, before we even get this video going, everybody knows about Terry Thacker from the Hobby Barn, and guys, I went over there and made my donation. Every little bit helps for his funeral fund. And guys, we're all going to be there one of these days. And show support. He was fine, outstanding member of this community. Everybody loved Terry. There was no bad words. There's nothing. I mean, you can't say nothing bad about him. I will have his link to the GoFundMe for his family for the funeral expenses. And yeah, in their time of need, his time of need, prayers, please, and go check it out. It will be in the description below. And I'm sorry, guys, I can't hardly talk, but I wanted to get this out there, guys. All right, love you, Terry. We pray for you. Pray for peace in your heart, that you'll meet Jesus. Love you, brother. All right, and then before I get this started real quick, I got from my buddy Donnie Yogurt. He sent me this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in the frame here. That is one of those WinMac 67 Mustang GTs. Thank you, brother. He sent me some other stuff, and I'm building a car right now for him, which I'll have a video on it soon. I'm building him a 50 Olds rocket, and it's on the bench right now. But that's another video. And then I also got in, this was a Christmas present or birthday present from my son, my oldest son. I got that in today. Y'all see that? That is the AMT 63 with the camper shell forward with the unibody. I even got the original kit of this. The boxes are totally different. We'll do a comparison one day. All right. And then I got my two of these in. I ordered them back when they were on pre-order. There I got both of them in. And that's all I'm going to say about that. This is not what this video is about. This video is about this man right here. Adam from Sodak Model Cars. Yes, my brother. Let's see. I had commissioned him. I said, man, would you, I love his paintwork. His paintwork is awesome. Y'all go check this guy out. This dude, his customizations, his paints, his old school candies and colors, you know, the dude, he's a young man in an old school body. I mean, you're talking Gene Winfield right here, buddy. This dude is awesome. Well, we're also going to do a buddy build too. This truck right here, the 60 model Chevy pickup, long wheelbase, he painted that one for me, and then I sent him one for himself, and we're going to do a buddy build on that. So that's one of them. Then I also sent him this one right here to paint for me. This was an original issue. You can see right here, 100% original issue. Original kit, molded in black. Look, they even got the special hubcaps. Man, this thing's awesome. But this was a chop top project, and I sent the body to him to have him paint them. And all right, I'm going to show you. I'm going to shut my yap, move these out of the way, and show you what he's done for me. And my God, it's just unreal. It is unreal. We'll start with the Merc first. I don't even want to get my dick fingers all over them, guys. Look at this. He put them in these towels right here. Look at this. Trying not to touch them. Look at this. Look at this paint. My God, guys. Look at the fades on that. Yes, he's even painted the front piece and the rear piece. All that's painted for me. All I got to do is the interior, engine, chassis, you know, all that stuff. So I just got to finish it up. But man, oh my God, that thing, I'm sitting here getting dust on it just from being out. But look at that. You could eat off of it. That thing is beautiful. I could never do a job like that. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. That was a chop top. That's chop top right there. And I just needed him to give me an old school Gene Winfield paint job. And looky there. He delivered. Gosh dang, guys. Adam, you are the man. He even painted the wheels for me, so I put the hubcaps on. Got the other parts here I'm not going to get out yet until I get on this kit. I'm going to keep it covered up. Keep it in the box till I get to it. Man, that thing is absolutely beautiful. Let's get this one out of the way. Here is the second one. Now this one here is going to be our buddy builds. He'll make a video on his and everything, but check this bad boy out. OMG. Look at this. This is the original issue. AMT. SMP. No, it's actually SMP. SMP 1960 Chevrolet. Look at the paint job on that. Oh my God, guys. Let's get it in there. My camera will not do it justice. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't want to get my dick fingers on it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to keep this towel to where I don't get my fingers all over it. Check that out. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, words can't describe, man. I can't. Of course, I can't hardly even speak, guys, but his work's so good, I've lost my voice. How about that? How's that sound? I'll have to do the wood grain and stuff in the bed. He's done the dash. I just have to finish it out, the interior and the chassis and all that. But my God, look at that. That thing is going to look good. I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be on chrome reverse wheels, white walls, hitting the ground. Oh, man. What would be a good name for this? Because it looks like it looks like a strawberry to me. Look how beautiful that is. Looks like a beautiful strawberry you just want to eat. So voluptuous and awesome. So y'all help me find a name for this. Something along to do with strawberries. Man, all right, Adam. I'm going to get them both out here again so that y'all can see how awesome those paint jobs are. Look at that. Look at that. Adam, love you, brother. Guys, check out Phil from Horton's Hot Rod Shop. Adam, too. My God, go check them out if you ain't subscribed to them. Please get over there. And guys, be praying for Terry and his family at the Hobby Barn. And guys, go over there and donate. It don't matter if it's $5. Hell, $1. It don't matter. Get over there and donate. Donate what you can if you can. If you can't, we understand. But but guys, we're going to be there one day. So, all right. Love you. Appreciate you watching. Bye.